Look means to see, but look after means to take care of. It is possible in English for a word to get a new meaning by adding another word to it. These are called phrasal verbs. Hello thinkers and welcome back to Search Academy. Today I am going to test your knowledge about phrasal verbs through an interesting quiz. Introduction. A phrasal verb is a combination of a verb and a preposition or an adverb or both that together create a meaning different from the original verb. For example, the word look means to see, but look after means to take care of, and look up can mean to search for information. It is not always obvious from the individual words, the meaning of the phrasal verb, but it must be learned as a phrase. So, are you ready for the quiz? Round 1. Question 1. I was so tired that I couldn't dash the meeting. Take off, keep up with, give in, fall through. Question 2. Please dash your shoes before entering the house. Take over, take up, take off, or take down. Question 3. We need to dash early to avoid traffic. A. Set out, B. Break into, C. Run over, and D. Get off. Question 4. He dashed a great idea during the meeting. A. Came across, B. Came up with, C. Came into, and D. Came about. Question 5. Don't forget to dash your homework before class. A. Turn in, B. Turn down, C. Turn up, and D. Turn over. Now it's time to check the answers of the round 1. I was so tired that I couldn't keep up with the meeting. So keep up with means to follow along with the flow of the meeting to be able to understand what is going on in the meeting. Please take off your shoes before entering the house. So to take off means to remove. We need to set out early to avoid traffic. Set out means to go out, leave the house. He came up with a great idea during the meeting. So came up with means to generate or to create a new idea. Don't forget to turn in your homework before class. Turn in means to submit. Now it's time for round 2. Question 6. He was late because his car dashed on the way to work. A. Broke out, B. Broke in, C. Broke down, and D. Broke off. Question 7. We had to dash the party because of the rain. A. Call for, B. Call on, C. Call off, and D. Call up. Question 8. She dashed her old school friend at the mall. A. Ran into, B. Ran out, C. Ran off, and D. Ran through. Question 9. I am trying to dash sugar for a healthier diet. A. Cut up, B. Cut down on, C. Cut out, and D. Cut in. Question 10. She didn't want to dash the secret. A. Give off, B. Give away, C. Give up, and D. Give back. Now it's time to check the answers for round 2. He was late because his car broke down on the way to work. So broke down means something was damaged or it stopped working. We had to call off the party because of the rain. Call off means to cancel an event. She ran into her old school friend at the mall. So to run into someone means to meet someone unexpectedly or without planning to meet that person. I'm trying to cut down on sugar for a healthier diet. So cut down means to reduce or to control the amount. She didn't want to give away the secret. Give away in terms of secret means to reveal the secret, or in general terms it means to give something away for free without taking anything in return. Alright, are you ready for round 3? Question 11. We had to dash the topic in more detail before deciding. A. Go off, go after, go over, or go through with. Question 12. She dashed a cold after getting caught in the rain. A. Came by, B. Came down with, C. Came off, and D. Came through. Question 13. The old warehouse was dash a modern office. A. Turned in, B. Turned into, C. Turned up, and D. Turned out. Question 14. I'm counting on you to dash the project on time. A. Carry on, B. Carry out, C. Carry over, and D. Carry off. Last question, question 15. After the argument, she needed time to dash. A. Cool out, B. Cool down, C. Warm up, or D. Blow away. Now let's check your answers for round 3. We had to go over the topic in more detail before deciding. So to go over the topic means to read it repeatedly or to try to understand it more deeply, studying it in detail. She came down with a cold after getting caught in the rain. So came down with a cold means to get sick with cold and feel weak because of the sickness. The old warehouse was turned into a modern office. So in the reference of this sentence, it means that the old warehouse was renovated and it was converted to a modern office, and turned into means to convert something or to change it into something else. I'm counting on you to carry out the project on time. So to carry out means to complete a task, and counting on you also means to trust someone. After the argument, she needed time to cool down. So cool down means to try to let go of the anger or try to relax or calm down. Awesome work! You completed the quiz. I would love to see how much score you got in the comments section. And I also hope that you were able to learn new phrasal verbs through this quiz. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video.